Hey and welcome to Alpha 1 this Saturday morning. We are now going to run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that do not use any martingale or anything scary. You can download this robot also just by clicking the link you see up here right now or the link you find below the video. Also in the link to you is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit as long as you deposit more than $100. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. So let's start up this amazing binary option robot. 4 trades, $104 profit. We have a profit rate of 75%. So 3 winners, 1 loser. Next time around, I think I will raise the bids a little, so we start to make like $100 each trade. That would be amazing. Also, you can have this robot completely for free. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or just use the link if I'm below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.